All right, guys, welcome to Play and Sing TV. Today we're doing The Blessing by Elevation, and I got my lovely wife Emily on the vocal.
Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May his favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May his presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you, he is with you in the morning, in the evening, in your coming and your going, in your weeping and rejoicing. He is for you, 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 he is for you. Amen. 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 Amen.
All right, guys, there you go. A great song. And if you want to follow along, of course, in the Patreon, that's why I've made these charts for you. I'm actually doing a pretty simple pattern. I'm accenting on one, the and of, what am I doing? What am I doing? One, the and of 2 and 4 the whole time. So I'm basically playing the same pattern the whole entire song. And the charts are falling everywhere. Just go onto the Patreon and join me. All right, God bless you. We'll see you over there.